Welcome my dear students. Today in this chapter we will talk about OCD and PTSD. Remember OCD is a disease of neurotic spectrum. मतलब जब patient knows about the illness, that the illness is there and he needs treatment. He needs to come out from this disease, but he could not come out from this disease very easily. So we'll talk about OCD, that is obsessive compulsive disorder. Now what is obsession? Obsession is all about thought and compulsion is all about action. Now thought, the quality of thought, क्या क्या क्वालिटी होगा थॉट का? नंबर वन, इट हैज़ टू बी ईगो डिस्टोनिक, मतलब जो थॉट्स मन में आता है आने के बाद मन में उनको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, नॉट फीलिंग गुड विद दैट थॉट. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि अगर वो थॉट मन में आता है और आने के बाद वो एंजॉय करता है, देन इट विल नॉट बी ओसीडी. इन ओसीडी में इट हैज टू बी ईगो डिस्टोनिक. थॉट आने के बाद he or she should be feeling irritable, right? It is irresistible. The patient cannot resist this thought and it is repetitive, comes again and again, and it is senseless or unwanted thought. The patient knows that the thought does not have any value, it is not true, but again it is coming again and again. Patient tries to stop that but he is unable. Now if patient tries to stop that, the patient will develop anxiety. So to relieve from that anxiety, patient will do some activity, that is compulsion, that is action. Now prevalence, it is around 1.7 to 4%, male and female almost equivalent, but it is sometimes more seen in more female. Age group 10 to 24 years. Etiology, mainly genetics. Genetics we will talk in everywhere. Strongly inherited and always monozygotic twin will have more chances, almost 80% chances, right? Some infections as well as the stress. Stress does not cause OCD, but stress precipitates the OCD. Now what are the obsession and what are the compulsion? In obsession, the most common obsession is the dirt contamination. इसीलिए पेशेंट हमेशा हाथ धोने लगता है, बहुत देर से हाथ धोते हैं. हाथ धोना या कोई मोबाइल या कोई भी सामान धोने के लिए लगता है, क्योंकि उनको लगता है ये डार्ट कॉन्टामिनेटेड हो गया या फिर कॉन्टामिनेटेड हो गया. नाउ ही विल ट्राई टू कवर ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द हैंड. धोने के बाद भी उनको लगेगा नहीं, ये थाम का जो नेल है इसमें अच्छा से सफाई नहीं हुआ है, तो अगेन एंड अगेन ही विल स्टार्ट वॉशिंग हैंड्स. समटाइम पेशेंट टेक्स ऑलमोस्ट 6 to 8 hours to just wash his hand. It's very problematic. It's really, the patient knows but still patient cannot resist, so it is so painful actually. Sometimes it is so painful, sometimes patient goes into depression, sometimes patient tries to do suicide also. It is very common. नीड फॉर सिमिट्री एंड प्रिसाइज अरेंजिंग. जब टेबल में रखेंगे बुक को इतना अच्छा से रखेंगे, जो बड़ा वाला बुक होगा वो नीचे होगा, फिर धीरे छोटा वाला, इससे छोटा वाला, इससे छोटा वाला. ना इसमें कोई पे भी अगर डी अरेंज हो गया तो उनको बेचैनी लगेगा, उसको आराम नहीं होगा जब तक ना उसको रीअरेंजिंग कर ले, ऑर्डरली उसको प्लेस कर ले. Unwanted sexual and aggressive thoughts, it is very common. Remember, the sexual content of the thought is very common in case of OCD patient. Doubt, this is very important. Pathological doubt, we call it pathological doubt. तो जैसे दरवाजा लॉक किया है कि नहीं, या फिर जो गैस बंद किया है कि नहीं, वो हमेशा उनको डर लगा रहता है. Now there will be repeated checking. Now remember MCQ, the most common obsession is the dirt contamination, but most common compulsion is the repeated checking. दरवाजा लगाए है कि नहीं ये बार बार चेक करते रहता है. Okay. Management, remember the drug of choice is antidepressant, this is SSRI, but the treatment of choice is the counseling or psychotherapy. Now drugs, what in SSRI we can use fluoxetine, fluvoxamine, we can paroxetine or escitalopram we can use. Clomipramine, venlafaxine also used, but most commonly we try with fluoxetine. It's for your knowledge. Now behavioral therapy is very important and it is the first line treatment. Any patient of OCD we should try with counseling. what do we call it? Counseling. Okay. Now in counseling or the therapy, we will go for ERP, exposure response prevention therapy. That is very, very important. Remember, ERP, exposure and response prevention, is done for OCD. Then meditation and relaxation. Okay. And surgical, if it is not possible to treat or control the OCD, then we need to go for the surgical procedure like cingulotomy or lobotomy, just for your name only. Remember, OCD patient may develop depression, may sometimes do suicide also. It is very, very important. So we need to assess in patient of OCD whether patient has developed depression, patient has suicidal thoughts or not. Sometimes almost anxiety is always present in OCD. OCD में anxiety रहेगा, and some patient may develop psychosis also, delusions. So you need to understand or you need to explore more on that part. Now next topic is the PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. This is a severe anxiety disorder developed after life-threatening incident. It can be anything, starting from rape, it can be war, it can be flood, it can be earthquake and all. Okay, the symptoms is hyper arousal, बहुत एक्टिव रहेंगे, अवॉइडेंस करेंगे उस सिचुएशन को, एंड उन सिचुएशन जो जो उनके साथ हुआ है वो हमेशा उसको री एक्सपीरियंसिंग, मतलब ऐसा लगेगा रीलिविंग, मतलब उनके साथ वही इंसिडेंट दोबारा हो रहे हैं, इस टाइप का री एक्सपीरियंसिंग और रीलिविंग होगा. The treatment is benzodiazepine with SSRIs. So this is all about OCD, PTSD. There are other disorders also like acute stress reaction, adjustment disorder. We will talk in some other videos. Okay, thank you so much.